G'day, Luke from LeadSync here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook and Instagram lead ad notifications using LeadSync. First thing you want to do after you've signed up to LeadSync, there's a 14-day free trial, is to preferably add your business Meta account. So hopefully you've got a business Meta account that's attached to the page and to the ad account that you're using to run your lead ad campaigns. So just click on that button, then add the Meta business account that you're using and follow the prompts. Then after you've done that, go to the connection section and add your email. So going down here, we want to select email as the connection, and then we'll add the email address. So I'm going to admin, and so importantly, this is your email address, not ours. Click update a connection. Then we want to find the form that you are using in your ad campaigns. So you jump into the lead form section, click on add Facebook lead form, select the page that you're using, and then select the form that you're using in your ad campaign, and then select the email address where you want to send those lead notifications, and click update lead. And there it is there. Now, to test this, we always recommend that you use Facebook's lead ads testing tool. So go and select the page and the form that you're using, and then create a lead, and that will send a test lead. Just to make sure it's been sent, you want to click track status, and you will see once that's been sent, you might have to click track status a couple of times, and you'll see success there. And that means that the lead's successfully been sent to your email. So go and check your email to make sure that the lead's in your inbox and that all the data's come through correctly. Hope that helps.